15 is equal to, tell me. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, root 3 divided by 2. Now, can I take 2 common here? You'll get 2 minus b whole square. Root 3. I hope it is clear. Now, similarly, if you see, if we are supposed to find out tan 75, that would be, of course, equal to cot 15. Yes or no? So instead of minus, plus will be there, because we have to write cos 75 divided, sorry, sin 75 divided by cos 75. In sin 75, we have plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator. Yes or no? So it would be 2 plus root 3. Yes or no? That would be the reciprocal of tan 50. Yes or no? That would be the reciprocal, because I hope you got it. Yes or no? So 1 over 2 minus root 3 can be written as 2 plus root 3 if you rationalize it. Very easy. So instead of minus, again plus is going to come. One question that can be asked in any competitive exam, like in NDA also it can be asked, that the question is, what is the value of tan 15 plus cot 15? Similarly, what is the value of tan 15 plus tan 75? Similarly, what is the value of cot 15 plus, tell me, cot 75? Cot 15, tell me, cot 15 plus, tell me, tan 15. Yes or no? I hope you got it. Similarly, tell me, what is tan 75? We have already seen, right? Tan 75 plus, okay, so all these values will be, tell me, 4. I hope you got it. One of the values will be with minus sign in between 2 and root 3, and the other value would be with plus sign, 2 plus root 3. If you add both of them, plus root 3 and minus root 3 would be cancelled. Yes or no? So what would be the final answer? 4. That these questions have already asked in various competitive exams. So please remember it. Answer is 4. Is there any doubt? No, sir. So we are done with 15 degree angle family. Yes or no? I hope you got it. 15 degree and 75 degree. Would you try some questions on this? Yes, sir. What is sine 75? 2 plus sine 75. Root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. What is sine 15? Root 3 minus 2. Root 3 minus 1. What is tan 15? 2 minus root 3. What is cot 15? 2 plus root 3. Okay. Please try to solve. Example.
Sir, how to derive sine 18 degree?
We'll tell you later. Just solve some questions on this. We'll tell you 18 degrees. See, now the first question is, yes. Okay. Find, the question is find sine 105 degree number 2 cot cos 195, and number 3 sec, not sec, cos 345 degree. Number 4 tan 165 degree. So these are the four values you need to find. Yes, online students. Who is Aishwarya? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Arsheen. Okay. Who is R
Yes,
Nandini?
Yes, sir,
Sumaya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please feel free to ask me anything if you don't get anything. We are
Sure, sir.
okay. We are solving some questions based on some special angles. We have covered only 15-degree angle. How can we solve it? I mean, how can we find out the different trigonometric ratios values for these angles? So applying that coordinate system theory, I mean, in which quadrant which particular trigonometric ratio is positive or negative, please try to solve these questions. So you are supposed to find out sine 105, cot 195, cos 345, and tan 165 degree.
Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Yes, which one? First one.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you are getting?
Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. Any other answer?
So second one minus 2 plus root 3.
Minus 1 plus
Minus 2 plus
root
root
3. Minus 2 plus root 3. Okay. What about the others? Okay, see, let me solve these questions very easy and match your answers. Solution. Question number 1. We are supposed to find out sine 105, right? So sine 105 can be written as, tell me, sine 90.
90 plus 15.
Very good. Sine 90 plus 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And in the second quadrant, sine theta is positive. So sine is not going to change. It would be positive only. I mean, it would be positive. Yes or no? Why? Because in the second quadrant, it is positive. So can I write sine 90 plus 15 is equal to cos 15? Yes or no? Because 90 is the odd multiple of 90 degree. Yes or no? So in case of if it is odd multiple of 90, the trigonometric ratio will change. Sine will change into cos and cos will change into sine. Tan will change into cot and cot will change into tan. And similarly sec and cosec will change. Yes or no? Now, what is cos 15? I have already told you. Tell me. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Just raise your hand who have got the same answer. Online students. Okay, very good, very good. Shall we move ahead? Yes or no? So this is the final answer. This was
Yes,
very
sir.
easy. Okay. Now next one is number 2. How can we solve it? Solution number 2. Very easy. We are supposed to find out cot 195. What can I write? Cot 195 can be written as, tell me.
180 plus 15.
180 plus 15. Yes or no? So cot 195 can be written as cot 180 plus 15. Now 180 is even multiple of 90, isn't it? Yes or no? 180 is even multiple of 90. So the trigonometric ratio is not going to change. Yes or no? Now what we have to do, in which quadrant it lies? 195. 180 plus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cot is positive. So it would be, it will remain cot 15. Yes or no? Neither sine nor trigonometric ratio will change. Yes or no? Okay. Now you already know what is cot 15. 2 plus root 3. I have already told you. See here. 2 plus root 3. Yes or no? 2 plus root 3 is the value of cot 15. Shall we move ahead? So this is the final answer for the second question. Cot 195. Now we have to solve question number 3, which is cos 345. See, very easy. Solution number 3. Cos 345. Can I write cos 345 as 360 degree minus 15? Yes or no? Now 360 is an even multiple of 90. So trigonometric ratio is not going to change. In which quadrant it lies? Fourth. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So again it would be cos 15 only. Yes or no? Cos 15. What is cos 15? Root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. Is there any doubt? So this is the final answer.
We can write 270 plus
75. Yes. We could have written 270 plus 75. Cos will change into sine. It would be positive. And sine 75 is nothing but again root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. Yes or no? Okay. Yes, online. Why? Because see, 180 is multiple of even multiple of 90. Yes or no? So trigonometric ratio is not going to change. As it is in the second quadrant, tan is negative there. So we can write minus tan 15 here. And what is the value of tan 15? You already know. 2 minus root 3. Yes or no? So the final answer would be minus 2 plus root 3, or we can write root 3 minus 2. So this is the final answer. Just raise your hand who have got all answers correct. Yes. Okay, very good. Well done. Shall we move ahead? Shall we move ahead? Is there any doubt? Okay. Very good. Next one. Now we'll take the other family. Suppose we have the other family is 18 degree. It is 18 degree. See. So 18 degree family. So assume that theta is equal to 18 degree. Yes or no? And we are supposed to find out sine 18, let's say. Sine 18. Okay. So if I multiply it by 5, what will get? 5 theta is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? This 5 theta can be written as 2 theta plus 3 theta. Yes or no? That is 90. Yes or no? So 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Or we could have changed it. I mean, 2 theta can be taken to right hand side as no issues. Now what I can do? You can apply cos or sine anything. Yes or no? So let us apply cos now. So what will get? Cos theta is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So can I write sin 3 theta here directly? Yes or no? Now what is, since we are supposed to find out the value of sin 18, so we have to apply the value, that formula of cos 2 theta where sin theta is there. What is the formula? Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta. What is the formula for sin 3 theta? Sin 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Yes or no? Is there any doubt? Sin cube theta. Yes or no? Now, cos 2 theta we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Yes or no? Now, can I put sin theta as t? And we can find cubic equation will get formed, and then we have to find out the value of sin theta. You will get different values, but see, one of the values you'll get negative. Can sin 18 negative? Can sin 18 be negative? No. Why? It is in the first quadrant. If you solve it, what will get directly? See, cubic equation will be there. We have to solve it. One of the values you'll get negative, and one of the values you'll get positive. And that value would be, tell me, under root 5 minus 1 over 4. That is the value of sin theta you'll get. And what is theta here? 18. You have to solve it on your own. If you don't get, just let me know in the next lecture. Okay, sin theta is root 5 minus 1 over 4. What do you have to do from here? Sin theta, put sin theta is equal to t. Yes or no? Cubic equation you need to solve, and then you will get sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. One of the, the other method could be, tell me, I could have written, tell me, 3 theta is equal to, tell me, 90 minus 2. Yes or no? And here you can apply sine. So what you'll get? This would be cos 2 theta, and here sine 3 theta. Or no? Again same formula. Yes or no? Sine 3 theta is, and what is the formula you are supposed to use? 1 minus 2 sine square. Is there any doubt? Understood? Okay. So sine 18 is what? What was the value of theta? 18. So sine 18 would be, tell me, under root 5 minus 1 over 4. So this is the value of sine 18. Yes or no? Now, can I write this is nothing but cos 72 as well? Why? 90 plus theta. If a plus b is equal to 90, then sine a is equal to cos b. Yes or no? So sine 80, if sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 over 4, then what would be the value of cos 72? It would be equal to same. Root 5 minus 1 over 4. Yes or no? So tell me, cos 72 would be equal to root 5 minus 1 over 4. Yes or no? So this is the value of sine 18 as well as cos 72. Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, if you solve cos 18, can anyone tell me what is cos 18? Again, same thing you can apply. You can apply cosine formula. Which one? Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So the quadratic will become in cosine. Yes or no? So tell me, cos 18 is what? Under root 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. And this would be equal to, tell me, sine 72. Yes or no? Is there any doubt? Okay. Please note it down. So this is sine 18, this is cos 72, and this is cos 18 and sine 7. Yes, online students, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next. Now we have got sine 18. Now would you try, if we are supposed to find out the value of tan 18? Yes, tan 18. What we have to do? Sine 18 divided by cos 18. Yes or no? Now that is your homework. What do you have to do? Find out the value of tan 18 and cot 18. So please try to find tan 18 and cot 18. Will you try? That is very easy. Please simplify it very easy. Now the next family is 22 and half. 22 and half. Okay. Next one. It is very easy. 22 and half family. How can we solve it? How can we find out the value of sine 22 and half or tan 22 and half? Very easy. See, what is cos 45? Tell me, what is cos 45? 1
by root 2.
1 by root 2. Very good. Now, sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta is what? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Yes or no? Can I write 1 minus 2 sine square? What is half of 45 degree? 22 and a half. Yes or no? That is equal to 1 by root 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we can do now? 2 sine square 22 and half would be equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Yes or no? That is equal to root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2, which is sine square 22 and half. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. If you take square root on both sides, so you'll get sine 22 and half is equal to plus minus under root this. Yes or no? But we can't take negative. Why? Because sine in the first quadrant, sine is not negative. Yes or no? It is positive. So I don't have to take minus sign here. Yes or no? So I can directly write under root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2. Is there any doubt? I hope it is clear. Similarly, what is cos 22 and half? Instead of minus, plus is going to come. Very easy. Or otherwise, what we can do? We could have used this formula. Which one? 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta. So you'll get the value of cos theta, cos 22 and half. So I'm writing it here directly. Now, cos 22 and half would be, tell me, cos 22 and half degree would be equal to, tell me, under root 2 plus 1 over 2 root 2. Yes or no? See, if you multiply in the numerator and denominator both inside the square root by root 2, what you'll get? In the denominator, you will get 4. So square root of 4 is 2 only. Yes or no? And in the numerator, what will get? Under root 2 minus root. And here, under root 2 plus 2 plus root 2 over 2. Yes or no? Just note it down, this one, 22 and half, and then try to find out tan 22 and half and